At this point ng narrative natin for the Miss Universe Philippines crown is Bea versus Bella. But if not Bea or Bella, then who? Sino ang susunod sa linya? Could it be a dark horse who's quietly building a momentum? Or those underrated frontrunners na nakasunod lang sa linya at pumapagitna? Ang next in line nakaabang lang ay sina April versus Allison. While Bea versus Bella dominates the competition, pinoposition naman ng dalawang to ang mga sarili nila as a surprise contender who could break that Bea and Bella duo. At kung patuloy pa magsashine ng dalawang ito, they will have the potential to capture the Miss Universe Philippines crown at mapaprove nga nila na ang race is far from the initial two-woman battle. April's identity resonates strongly with audiences who value diversity. With multiple national pageants under her belt, she brings consistency and resilience. At very evident ang kanyang charisma at confidence sa lahat ng mga outings niya dito sa competition. Bigat nga din ang narrative niya, a comeback queen with a strong perseverance, making her journey emotionally compelling. Wala kang mahanapang butas sa kanya, duwang binabato lang ng ilang mga pageant fans sa kanya na it's too early nga anya to have a Filipina black representative again sa Miss Universe stage. But even if it's too early, there are many positive ways to look at this possibility. It reflects the glowing diversity of the Filipino identity, showing the world that being a Filipina is not defined by a single look or background, but by shared culture, values, and pride. Wala nga naman siyang pinagkaiba back then na sunod-sunod na Tisay or Morena ang mga pinapadala natin. In the end, the rise of black Filipinas on the MU stage is not just about timing, it's about vision. Whether it's too soon or early to have a black MUPH again, it will echo far beyond the pageant stage, as such representation will stand as a powerful reminder to believe that being Filipina means carrying a pride in every form. Meanwhile, Allison Hetland, though relatively new compared to Bea, Bella, and April, she has shown strong promise in this entire competition and has quickly built a loyal fan base. She resonates with younger audiences who see her as more relatable and approachable. Evident din ang kanyang confidence at natural charisma, plus ang kanyang powerful height na hindi nga malalamon kapag nasa Latin soil na siya. However, ang binabato naman sa kanya ay related sa experience gap. Unlike the three, Allison is still proving herself sa bigger stage. She still needs to sustain momentum and stand out in a field crowded with seasoned competitors. However, she could be the sleeper hit at siya nga ang kailangang bantayan ng tatlong nauna. If she picks at the right time, Ali could very well deliver a surprise contender for the MUPH crown. At kapag na-overcome nga nilang dalawa yung mga challenges dito sa competition, they could either break into the finals and challenge the heavy frontrunners.